Hi, Ben Kingsley here. I often talk about knowledge is empowering, but only if you act on it. Well, the reality is how do you act if you don't have the knowledge? Bryce and I have spent over a decade building out lots of rich content around the Property Couch podcast and also around our books and our downloadables and all of this free information, calculators, you name it, we've built it. But it's all over the place. So what we've done is we've organized and curated all of that information into MyKNOWLEDGE inside the Moorr platform. So you've landed on this page. All you need to do is create your account and get inside there, which will open up the world of possibility to you in terms of your knowledge and wealth building prospects. So go on and have a look inside there. And when you do get in there, make sure you look for the unlock full access. This is really important because what that will do is open up the full platform's capabilities to you. So you'll get things like wealth speed and wealth clock. You'll get to run the MoneySMARTS rules-based money management system. It will be your one-stop shop for all of your financial story for your household. And if you've got investment properties, you can manage your investment properties. You'll also be able to research information around asking rents for investment properties. And it doesn't stop there. Every fortnight, we're releasing new content and new features and functionalities inside the Moorr platform. So please open up the platform, create your account, and get inside there and organize your financial future. Because once you've done that, you will have the knowledge. And when you have the knowledge,